Okay, so I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to remove the background noise in your video recordings using Audacity Free Audio Editor. Okay, so here is a file. I specially prepared this file. This is a recording I did. I had a window air conditioning unit in the background, and it was just really crappy noise, background noise on my audio here. So this is an MP4 file. Now how to get it into Audacity is pretty simple. You either can right click on it and go open with Audacity, but if you don't have the context menu option there, you can simply just drag and drop it onto the timeline and it will strip the audio out of the MP4 file. Okay, so there we have our audio there, and you can just see it's got a ton. I mean, it's just really bad there. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me just play this and you'll hear how bad it is.
Yeah, that's bright light right there, buddy. That's red.
Okay, so there's just that horrible background sound. We want to get rid of that. So Audacity has one of the most powerful editors, because like most editors just have a button that says remove noise, but it doesn't know what noise you want to take out. So Audacity has a unique feature. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is select this area. You want to select an area that has no other sound except for the noise you want to take out. So preview the area, make sure there's no other sound that you don't want to take out that's there, because it's going to take out whatever it has right here. Now, once you have the section that you want to take it out, just go ahead and highlight that section. Okay, now go up here to Effect, go to Noise Reduction, and go to Noise right there. All right, now first thing, if this is a three-step process, click Noise Profile. This is the noise profile that you want to take out of all of the recording. Okay, now come over here to Select, click on Select All. Now select all. Now go back over here. Okay, go to Noise Reduction, and this time we're going to use these to adjust. So I've got it set pretty high. Normally most things can be removed around that right there. Okay, so we'll put that at 5. Now you can preview what it sounds like once the noise profile is applied. So, and you can tell that it actually reduced quite a bit of the noise, okay, but it didn't actually take all the noise out. So we can actually increase this a little bit. Let's see. That's a lot better. Let's go ahead and bump this up to 6. It's really smoothing it out there. Gonna bring this all the way up here to 20. Okay, and it's almost totally gone. All right, so now let's go ahead and apply it, and you can see that it has stripped out that background noise there pretty good. Okay, so now let's listen to this part. Okay, they're still there, but it's very not noticeable. Let's go ahead and listen to the vocals here.
Yeah, that's bright light right there, buddy. That's red. Okay,
so you can tell that the bass was almost completely removed out of the vocal, so that doesn't sound really good. So let's go ahead and put that back in. So we're going to go over here to EQ and then go to bass and treble. Okay, and we'll preview how it sounds like this. So let's go ahead and just add some bass back in. All right, now let's see what it sounds like.
Yeah, that's bright light right there, buddy. That's red. Okay.
Okay, so it added the bass back, and now it sounds pretty good, and 90% of that background noise has been removed from the audio. And now you're just going to have to put the audio back on the video that you want it to. Mute the existing audio and use this as a replacement for it. And that's how you take background noise out of a video and get it pretty decent audio, even though there might be some pretty bad background noise there. You can do it with Audacity. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and found it helpful.